Okay, welcome back. This is LetsRollQ. We're going to do a little quick opening of this. This is an adapter. Oh, an adapter. Well, it could be an adapter. I have the Gaumon that I just got, the one with the screen. I was using it with the laptop that I have, but I decided to try using it on the desktop. The only problem with the desktop is that to be able to connect the Gaumon tablet to the desktop, I need to disconnect one of the monitors, and then I'm able to use the Gaumon, which is this one, as a second display. The only problem is that I have to disconnect completely one of my monitors, which is the main monitor, for me to be able to use the Gaumon with the desktop. Now, I thought maybe, just maybe, if I get a splitter for a HDMI cable connection, I might be able to connect the Gaumon that I have right here to the computer without disconnecting the without disconnecting the monitor, the main monitor. So I got a splitter that we're gonna open right now, and what I'm gonna do is I'm going to disconnect the monitor just for a second. I will put on the new splitter that I have here. We're gonna open right now. So this has a number in the front. I don't know if that has to do anything with the order number. LKS 15733FE. Says LPN PM 816840987. Nothing else on the box on top. So this is what we got. Okay, nothing else in the box. So this is all in with, I think, I want to say Chinese. It says 4K HDMI. So it's a HDMI splitter 1 in 2 out. This is the user manual, and it tells you what kind of connections, how the connections. One side is Chinese, the other one is in English if you want to figure out the whole thing using the manual. It shouldn't be that hard. So I had the splitter right here, little box. It has the connection for the power, and this is the HDMI cable. So this one is gonna be, let me remove this from here. So this one is gonna be from the computer. So I'm gonna connect the back of the computer, and then I'm gonna connect this one here. You see one connection right there. Okay, and then it splits into two HDMI. So I'm gonna connect this one right here. I have to figure out the power. I don't know how I'm gonna do that because I'm using all my USB connections right now. So I'm gonna have to disconnect something. Let me see. So this is the HDMI we're gonna connect to the computer, and then I have to figure out the power. So what I see here, this is the C connection, goes in the back of it, and this is the USB that goes into the computer or whatever I can connect to. Okay, so let me disconnect the computer monitor, and then we'll connect everything back. I don't think it's gonna interrupt what we have right now going, because it's just gonna switch to the other monitor that I have. But if it does, it's because I'm doing that. So let's try getting the HDMI, disconnecting the monitor. Okay, so I disconnect the monitor. Now we're gonna connect. I'm gonna place the monitor in. Let me see if I can show you in this one right here. I'm placing the main monitor in there. Okay, and now we're gonna place this connection, the cable that came with it, into the computer. Excuse me. Okay, now I think it's switching. Not sure yet. Oh, it's not gonna switch because I have it. Power is off. Are we recording? Okay, still recording. Okay, now we're gonna get the power for this device, which I think I'm gonna have to connect to the monitor I have here. So we're gonna disconnect something here. Alright, so now the HDMI cable should be working. We are going to connect the HDMI for the tablet, and that's gonna tell us if it works. So okay, so we had the tablet cables here, and I'm going to do see, that's the tablet, so it goes into 3 cables. So we're gonna get the HDMI, so it should multiply the screen with the tablet here. So now we're gonna turn, now we need power again, so we're going to, I'm gonna disconnect my, I just disconnect my memory card. That's a lot of cables. Okay, and then we're gonna connect our gammon, see if it works. This is the, okay, I think this one goes in here, right? Yeah. Oh, the other way. Now the power goes in here, and now the gammon has to connect, so we're gonna disconnect. Oh my gosh, we're gonna disconnect my Alexa, and we're gonna connect the gammon in. It's powering in, and I can hear it. I don't know if you can hear it, but it just click on it, and now we're gonna power it on, and now we have the gammon. So the question is, we'll be getting the reflection here and in the, yep, there you go. So here we go. So we got the screen on the gammon and the screen on the tablet. I think you can see it. Okay. So now the question is, does it works? So we're going to move. You're gonna see me moving the stuff right here. Give me a second. Let's see, what do we show you here? Okay, you know what? I'm gonna keep it here. Sorry. Alright, so we're gonna open the sketchbook. My question is, are we able to see the sketchbook here? Let me figure this out because it's kind of complicated what I'm doing right now. Alright, so we got the sketchbook and that screen. So we're gonna change the screen. Okay, we're gonna move this screen all the way up. There we go. Okay, so we got the screen there, right? So I'm gonna show you, that is the gammon right there. Okay, so what you see here is the screen that I connect with the splitter. So that screen that you see there is the splitter window for my monitor, and it should be connected to the gammon display. And now we're gonna try drawing something, see if it works, and it does. So there you go. So if you are trying to connect a gammon to your computer without disconnecting the monitor, the main monitor, just get the splitter, connect the splitter into the computer, and then you have 2 exits for the HDMI. One goes into the monitor, one goes into your tablet, the gammon, and then you're able to connect your gammon without disconnecting the whole thing. And then you can see here, it works just fine. So there you go. That is to fix that in case that you want to use your gammon with your computer, desktop computer, and not the laptop. You can get a splitter. I might be putting the description. I got this through Amazon, so I'll put the description of the item in there so you can look for it. I'm trying to get some subscribers. If I get to 500 subscribers, then I'm able to put a link that goes directly to Amazon. Help me out if you can. Subscribe, share, like this video. Thanks for watching. Let me go back into the main screen so you can see me right here. Hold on, give me a second. Now we're gonna hide this monitor right here, and then I'm back. Okay, so now you can see me, right? Okay, so if you have any questions, please let me know. I'm new at this thing, new at these tablets, but if you have any questions, I might be able to answer, and I could probably help you with it. So you can see this is the tablet, and that's my monitor, which is the main monitor. My face right here because that's the camera. This is LetsRollQ. Like, share, subscribe. Thanks for watching. Have a good day. Bye bye.